Hello everyone, Jeff the Green Review here. I have great news. The softcover version of the Green Review gardening book has finally arrived. This book was over a decade in the making. There are over 400 pages and almost 1,000 pictures and illustrations. Green Review Gardening is a book on horticulture, gardening, and landscaping for the owner of a landscape who knows very little about plants but needs to take care of their landscape. The first 3 chapters of the book cover how plants are named and grouped, how plants grow in different weather, climate, soil, and water conditions, and how plant processes turn sunlight, chemicals in the air, and water into a vast array of their own chemicals. In this first section, you'll learn principles like the root-to-shoot balance, the plant-to-environment balance, dead stuff decays, and the thrive-to-sudden-death ranges of plant health. After learning how plants grow and react to changes in their environment, it's time to move to chapters that cover how to buy, plant, and grow annuals, bulbs, perennials, houseplants, fruits, vegetables, lawns, shrubs, and trees. And now that you have plants growing in the landscape or house, the next chapters cover landscape maintenance, pest control, and pruning. A beautiful landscape is more than just plants. It includes birds, butterflies, and the sounds of water. The final chapters cover landscape design, water gardens, and gardening for wildlife. The pruning chapter alone is worth the price of this book. To get your copy in either a soft cover like this or as a PDF for viewing on computers or phones, go to greenreview.com or click on the link in the description below. For a very limited time, if you subscribe to this Green Review channel, YouTube channel, then you can go to buy the book and type in the code I subscribed to get 25% off the price of either version of the book. And this is Jeff for the Green Review. Thanks for watching. What are you doing still watching? Subscribe and go to the greenreview.com link. Thanks for watching. Bye.